there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland. Quintessential Kiwi living is how I would describe this lovely family home here at 101 Methuen Road in New Windsor. Come on up the drive and prepare to be impressed. This low maintenance, single level home packs far more punch than first impressions hint at. The simplicity of the design is enhanced by the super chic presentation, and this is an easy care urban oasis you'll be so proud to call home. Three double bedrooms take care of your accommodation needs, and the renovated bathroom and kitchen ensure there'll be little left on your to-do list. Open plan living is perfect for both family life and entertaining, with easy flow to a north-facing deck and landscape gardens. And this is certainly my favourite part of the home. I can absolutely imagine coming out here in summer with all the entertaining, barbecues while watching kids running around in the back garden, or simply coming out here for coffee and a book. You've got lots of options and none of them are bad. The home is nestled in a lovely position on the popular northern slopes and has really generous off-street parking, including room for the boat or camper. In such a convenient location, with motorway access moments away and the CBD a 10-minute drive, it's ticking boxes left, right and centre. We know this family home is going to be popular, so make sure you come along and visit. We look forward to seeing you here.